Okay, here we are. It's Monday, November 9th. And this is video 25. And well, over the weekend, I made some major decisions for this course and my other courses, but this is the one you guys are worried about. And so, homework 9 was due today, so I'm sure at this moment it's all been turned in. This is your last homework from the book. Homework 10 will be due on the last week of school, and it will be 3 pages of notes that you made for the final oral exam. Okay. And so, and there'll be one more thing with a grade on it, the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. I always do something special on that day, so we'll have 11 homework assignments. One will be dropped, so the 10 will make up the grade portion of that. And for the next 5 days, so we have the dates are Friday the 13th, Monday the 16th, Wednesday the 18th, Friday the 20th, and Monday the 23rd. There's going to be a series of 5 videos, and each video is going to cover one chapter of the chapters in the book that will be on the final exam. So for example, we're going to go backwards. So we're going to start on the 13th. We're going to look at chapter 6. And then on the 16th, we're going to look at chapter 5. And on the 18th, we're going to look at chapter 4. On the 20th, we're going to look at chapter 2. Chapter 3 is on matrix algebra, so it's not really linear. It's just how do you add, subtract, multiply, divide matrices. So it comes into play in all the other ones, but it's not really a topic of its own. And then on the 23rd, back it up all the way to chapter 1. All right, that's a Monday. And then the Wednesday of that week is the day before Thanksgiving, and we'll have an in-class thing. All of you had me before, so you know I always do something fun the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. And then we go to Thanksgiving. When we come back, we have a week. We have a week of school. 1 week of school. And that Monday is, let me get my dates right. That Monday is the 30th. Now I know that as soon as we get to Thanksgiving, in-person courses at CMA cease. And I don't know what some of you are doing, if you're moving home or you're staying or what, but I'm going to leave this Monday sort of open. If you're traveling or trying to get back to Southern California or Japan or wherever the hell you live and you need that day, then I guess I'm going to cancel class for that day just because I'm not sure who's going to be around, who's going to be in transit, and who's going to be sort of present for the class. Okay, and then that leaves 2 days. Wednesday the 2nd and Friday the 4th. And what we're going to do on these days are mock exams. I'm going to first ask for volunteers, and then if there aren't any, I'm going to assign people to take part in an oral exam practice sessions. So you can see how this is going to play out at your final exam. I did it before. It was super easy for some people and very stressful for others, and there wasn't much in the middle. So having a taste of it will be very good for you, I reckon. And so that's the rest of our semester. I mean, it's 4 weeks of work. Of course, Wednesday the 11th is Veterans Day, so we don't have anything on that day. So what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more classes, including this one. So really 9 more. And so that's our roadmap for the rest of the term. So you know exactly what's going to happen. Yeah. And so the first video in this series you'll be watching on the 13th on chapter 6, which has to do with orthogonality, inner product spaces, and things like that. And when you watch it, because I've already I did the script for it, and I really liked it, you'll get a feel for what these 5 videos are going to be like. And throughout, I'm going to ask you to do problems, because they're not 50-minute videos, but it'll be at least 50 minutes worth of work. And so, yeah, I'll be asking you to do problems throughout with a time limit, because that's how oral exams work. And basically, we're training for the next 3 weeks for the final exam. All right. So that's all I have for this little short video. And I will see you again on Friday.